Cosmic pink Rhaphiolepis is a stunning plant for any garden. This plant has been in for way over a decade, still looking great, probably being pruned every 3-4 years on average. It's not had any irrigation other than natural rainfall for years now. It hasn't been fertilised much, maybe every few years.
Cosmic pink tolerates extreme weather conditions including drought, frost and humidity, and will handle most soil types. Cosmic pink is well suited for coastal positions and difficult planting sites, as well as dry inland regions. Cosmic pink was selected due to its compact form and its larger flowers. Cosmic pink handles sandy to heavy soil types and works well when positioned in full sun and even shade.
It really is a plant that doesn't need much care, but look how beautiful it looks. It flowers like this every spring. It can flower a bit in autumn as well, depending on your conditions. And best of all, it doesn't produce any seed. Of course, it can produce some rarely if it goes through a process called apopomictic seeding, but that's a rare thing where a seed forms without fertilisation. And that'll happen like once in a blue moon. But pretty much this is generally a sterile plant that you can put safely in your garden. It's one of the toughest exotics you can have, whether it's wet feet, dry, wind, it'll just keep looking great.